everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marissa. So today's video is going to be really fun. It's a DIY. We are going to be making DIY designer accessories. So we're going to be making hair clips, which I've seen this video go around YouTube, but I love hair clips and I think they're so cute, and I thought this would be such a fun video because I honestly love watching all the videos on this. And then we're also going to be making our own little designer Dior necklace. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm super excited. So I went to Joann's, just go to any craft store, Michael's, probably Hobby Lobby would have all this stuff too. First we need a pair of tweezers, that way we can put like the beads and stuff on. I got E6000 glue. This is like really good glue. I'm pretty sure they had to like card me to make sure I was 18, but this is like it literally says industrial strength, so this will be perfect. So I got these little barrettes at CVS, and then everything else is from Joann's. So we're gonna need little hair clips. We're gonna be making two different types of hair clips. We're gonna be making one that spells Chanel, and then these will have like little pearls on them. So I picked up a few things of pearls, picked up just little like crystals. I didn't get like the Swarovski ones because I didn't want to spend a lot of money. All of this was about 20 bucks, so pretty good. So I got two of those, and then the necklace we're gonna be making, I just picked up this 18-inch like gold little chain here, and then I thought it would be cute to get these little hanging letters and put like Dior or something, or Chanel, or whatever you want to put. So I thought that would be really cute. So that's what we're doing today. So to begin, let's start off with the necklace, because that one is going to be the easiest and not as time consuming as all the other ones. So I'm just taking all of the letters and putting them on the table here. And I'm basically just gonna pull out, I'm gonna spell Dior, so I will need the I. They're so tiny, but I think it'll be really cute. Like, look at how tiny these little charms are. I don't even know if that was in focus. So I put all of my little gold lettering on the table, and I just picked out the letters that spell Dior. So now I have my little gold chain, and this clasp is so weird and like really like bendable, so that's not good. But all we're gonna do is thread the letters on. And you want to just do it like in the way that it is spelled, so D-I-O-R. You don't want to go backwards or anything. Okay, so I have them all on the chain here. Now, what the heck? Why is it's still backwards? Okay, no, just kidding. All right, we're good. So the thing is they're kind of all like, as you can see, like stuck together. So what I'm thinking about doing is placing them apart and trying to glue them. What I might do instead of gluing the letters down is use these little cuticle things as like pliers and make the little hoop here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Make the little hoop here tighter around the necklace so that way it doesn't move as much. This might not be the easiest DIY of all of them. This might take the longest because we do have to maneuver some stuff. Bar, the D is on. It's way easier to use your tweezers to do it. Gonna put it on and we can fix the letters like once it's on. Okay, so it's kind of like a longer chain. This is our little Dior necklace. I think it's so cute. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Let's move on to the next DIY, which is some hair clips and a beret. I keep saying beret. So this comes with two, so I could write out Dior, I can write out Chanel, Fendi, Boss, whatever I want. But this is all designer inspiration. So I'm gonna do this one first because I think it's gonna take a little while. So I'm going to open my little beads here. What I do is add the glue, but like do it in like the letters. That way it might be easier. So I'm gonna take my glue. I finished the little Chanel beret and it looks way better on camera than in person in my opinion, but it looks super cute. It took a little bit of time, but once the glue dries, I will go ahead and like clean everything up. I just want everything to stick on. Chanel is a little bit hard because of the A and stuff. So I think I might do another one and either have it say Gucci or Dior on it. So I'm gonna do that last if I go ahead and do that, but we're gonna move on. I'm gonna move on to the hair clips. Now that I made a mess all over my table, there's glue. I don't even use this table anyways to like eat or anything. I just kind of just sit on the couch, so like a fatty that I am. I'm loving wearing clips that has really cute pearls on them, so we're gonna make our own. These are nice because they're already sticky, but I don't know if I trust that, so I might have to use glue. This glue is a little bit messy, so I recommend maybe a different type of glue, maybe like super glue or something. I don't know, that's still kind of messy, but I'm gonna see if they actually will stick like decently. Okay, yeah, they stick pretty decently, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So these have like big and small, so I'm gonna be like alternating between big and small to make it look a little bit cuter. And there you have it. Cute little pin hair clip. I think it's so freaking cute. But again, I'm just gonna press down on everything like this so that way I know it's really on there. There you have it. You have this, and then you have your little like Chanel one. I think they're so cute. This one's probably my favorite. So this is the other hairpin I decided to make with the barrette. So I think they're so cute. Like, those are so cute. And then we have the Chanel one. And that's it, you guys. That is my DIY designer pearl hairpins. So you got a Chanel one, you got a little pearl one, and then you got a little pearl one. So I think they came out so cute. You also have the Dior necklace. I think this is so cute. I think I'm gonna keep it on. Obviously people will probably think that it's not real. Well, it's not real, it's just DIY. And I think it looks so freaking cute. Adds a little touch to an outfit. Throw a little pin on and you're good to go. I'm really happy with the way these turned out. Oh, my little Chanel one lost a little gem here. Fixed it, but I think it's so cute. I hope it's like the bead's not in my hair somewhere. But this one could have came out a little bit better. I probably should have brought it over a little bit more. That way it's a little bit more even, but I still think it looks really cute. I think the pearl ones have to be my favorite. I think they just add such a nice touch. So yeah, that completes this little DIY of designer hairpins and pearls and necklaces, just accessories overall. I think it was so fun. Subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!